If you want to do virus scan on the Samsung Galaxy A57, you can do this for free by using built-in features. So how we can do this? First of all, you will have to open the settings and go for device care. And here, just go into that option called app protection. Now take a look. We have to click here to scan, and it's gonna check for malware or other suspicious activities on our phone. We have to click on this button and we have to just wait until we find some results. So it's gonna scan everything one by one, but it takes some time, of course. And there's also second option by going into the Google Play Store, by going into the right upper corner. You can also find a lot of things, for example, the Play Protect. So we can also scan, but now we can scan only applications from a Google Play Store. This previous option is scanning like everything from your phone, even applications from Galaxy Store, but this one it's only scanning Google Play Store applications. I hope you find it useful.